Okay, good morning. Welcome to a special Math for Kids number 97.
And it's in the morning.
And it's in the morning. Today we're going to take a look at a problem out of the Art of Problem Solving book that we're working on, the Prealgebra book. This is problem 7.5.7. And we're doing this just to show how awesome this book is and why we like it so much. So here's the problem. Jason and Jeremy work at a juggling ball factory. Jason lives 25 miles away and drives 60 miles an hour. Jeremy lives 35 miles away and drives 75 miles an hour. If they leave their houses at the same time, then who arrives at the factory first, and how long is it until the other one arrives? Do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Okay. What kind of problem is this?
This is a speed, a distance, or a time problem.
Okay, well that's what I meant. It's a problem about speed or distance or time. So
yeah.
So we know how to do problems like that, hopefully. So, all right, go at it, sweetie pie. Give it your best shot.
Okay, it's time. What? Is it time or is it? Well, let's draw a picture first.
Okay, great idea. Draw a picture first.
Here's the factory.
And make sure you don't block the camera when you're drawing the picture.
This is the one that's...
Yeah, that's the edge of it. Yeah.
Here's Jeremy's house. Here's Jason's house.
Okay. So this one's Jason, you said?
Yeah.
Jason and Jeremy over here. Just so that's clear. Okay. All right. So what do you know?
So it's 25 miles to the factory.
Okay. Don't block the camera. That's 35 miles. Okay, awesome. Okay, good picture.
So now we have to do Jason.
What do you mean? What do you have to do for Jason?
We have to figure out how long it takes him to drive the time.
Okay. Let me move out of the way. Why don't you work kind of over in the corner here for that? See if you can work over here in that box to figure out how long Jason takes.
Well, Jason, time equals distance over speed.
Okay, why don't you write that? Distance over speed. Okay.
So, now that we have that, what's the distance? 25 miles over 60 miles an hour. The miles cancel. It's going to be in hours.
Okay, awesome.
So figure out what 25 over 60 is. That equals 5 times 5 over 5 times 12.
Okay. So it's 5/12 of what?
Of an hour.
Okay.
Now to figure out how many minutes.
Yeah, do that over here. Do figure out how many minutes it is over here, because the bottom of the camera is really more like there. So you got the space right there.
Okay, so this is... So 5/12.
Here, let me help you erase a little bit so it's not too confusing. 5/12 of an hour. What are you doing here, by the way?
It's 5/12 of an hour times 60 minutes over hours.
Okay. Why are you doing that?
To get the minutes.
Oh, to get the minutes. Okay, because is it easier in minutes or easier in hours?
It's easier in minutes.
Okay. Cool.
So I have to do 60 divided by 12 is just 5. So it's 5 to 25 minutes.
Okay. Now we did a lot of work there, but what is 25 minutes the answer to?
It's the
What
answer
question?
to Jeremy, how long it takes him to get there.
How long it takes who to get there?
Jason.
Jason. Okay. Okay, 25 minutes. Very good. Okay.
Now for Jeremy.
Now for Jeremy. Yeah, we don't have a lot of room, so sorry about that. But let me erase over here again. You can work over here.
It's the same time equation.
Okay. What's the equation? Why don't you start off by writing the equation, starting maybe right there. Give yourself a little more room.
10 equals distance over speed. The distance, 35 miles. Over 75 miles an hour. It's going to be an hour, so we have to figure out what 35 over 75 is.
Alright, 35 over
5
75.
times 7 over 5 times 15.
Let's get over a little.
7/15 of an hour.
Okay. So 35 divided by 75 is the same as 5 times 7 over 5 times 15. So we have 7/15 of an hour. So what do you want to do next?
Well, next, let's do the same process we did for Jeremy.
Okay. So 7/15 of an hour. So write that. And then what are you going to do? What's that process?
Times 60 minutes. Hours. 50 minutes per hour.
Okay.
Now this is 28 minutes.
How did you figure that out?
Because I flipped this 60/15ths.
Okay. And what is 60/15?
60/15ths is 4.
4. Okay. So that's how you turn 7/15 times 60 into 7 times 4. Okay, so that's very good. So 28 minutes is the answer to what question?
Is Jeremy.
What do you mean 28 minutes equals Jeremy?
28 minutes is how long it takes Jeremy to get to the factory.
Okay,
So-
awesome.
Jason arrives at the factory first, and 3 minutes later, Jeremy arrives.
That's pretty cool.
It's not a big difference.
Not a big difference. Not a big difference. No, that's a really great job, sweetie. That is. That's a nice job. Nice working through that problem. All right, good job.